Welcome back, everybody. So the April showers are here. Who knows what that's going to bring, but it's supposed to rain all day here. At least I'm not going to have to water any plants today. So I thought I would catch up on doing my giveaway videos and patron shoutouts. So we did get a new patron this past month. So I wanted to give a special thank you to Southern Screams. Southern Screams has a YouTube channel, which we'll take a look at here in a moment as well. And I'm very excited to have him join the Fright Club. So thank you, Southern Screams, for helping support the channel. I truly appreciate it. And Southern Screams joins my other wonderful patrons, including Acorn and Oak, Allison Waldron, B. Hugh, Carla Perea, Cathy Lacy, Craig Thomas, Eerie Eric, Fredrickson, Halloween Inflatable Geek, Heather St. John, Josh the Inflatable and Tractor Guy, Kip and Jace, Lauren McLean, Patchouli Julie, Paula Allison, Prince Alarming 85, Ryan Huffman, Shannon Fredrickson, Sharon Thomas, Skull Crane Entertainment, Spooky Bev, Spooky Spectacle, Stephanie Schrutek, Stephen Miles, and Teara. Thank you all so much for helping support the channel. Truly is appreciated, and it certainly helps go toward these giveaways that I love to do every month, which we will get to in just a moment. But first, as I like to do, I wanted to showcase those patrons who have YouTube channels so we can see what they are up to. So first up is our new patron, Southern Screams, and let's check out their About page. It says, Southern Screams Haunted Attraction in Charleston, South Carolina. So it looks like they have a up-and-coming YouTube page here with a few videos, and they've got a teaser for their 2021 attraction. But you definitely want to check out their past videos because it's quite the professional operation, and they've got some really good content. We can all learn a lot from some of their ideas. All right, so next up we have Josh the Inflatable and Tractor Guy, and he does lots of inflatable videos. And let's see what he's been up to since our last check-in. We've been looking at some Halloween inflatables for this year. He did a Easter display, which you can see lots of Easter bunny inflatables, which I'm sure they make, inflatables for every holiday. Didn't quite expect so many, so it's interesting to see all the different inflatables you can possibly get. So that's Josh the Inflatable and Tractor Guy. We also have Gnome King Productions. That's Patchouli Julie's affiliated channel, and it is some interesting music and videos. So they are sort of surrealist and fun and exciting. So check those out. Since our last check-in, I can't remember. I think this was there the last time we checked in, but the Gnome King's theme song, very interesting. Next up is T-Cat Makes, and her channel is still awaiting some content, but when we get there, they're going to be playing games and enjoying life and having fun. So there's T-Cat Makes. We also have Halloween Inflatable Geek. And I don't think we've got anything new since the last check-in, but he's still working on his Mustang, was it? Yes, Mustang. And he usually does some interesting Halloween inflatables as well. All right, Spooky Bev, still awaiting some new content from her as well, but we can check out her past spooky Halloween-related videos as well. Looks like she's up to 99 subscribers. She just needs one more, guys, so maybe someone out there can check her out. All right, Spooky Spectacle. Now we've got some St. Patrick's Day makeup. So, sorry, we missed that a little bit, but spooky Irish folklore is good for any time of the year. So check that out if you want to be creeped out. And then Fredrickson. Now Fredrickson has showcased her I guess previous year's Halloween decorations with this amazing Egyptian mummy theme. You totally have to check that out. Fredrickson's Halloween decorations and videos are just so over the top, always worth a view. Skull Crane Entertainment does animatronic videos, and lately you can find out in his latest video what he's doing with the future of his channel and his business, where he sells and fixes animatronics, but he's certainly up to some interesting activity creating an animatronic for widespread sale. So check it out, and you might be interested in purchasing his up-and-coming animatronics. And then last up we have Acorn and Oak, who does crafting and card making and decorating videos throughout the year. So right now we're focusing on spring, but there will be plenty of Halloween coming up. And of course, if you look through his last videos, you're going to see plenty of that as well. Look, there's one right there. So if you are interested in checking out any of their YouTube channels, you can find the links in the description below, but you'll also find the link to my Patreon page if you want to join the Fright Club with those wonderful people. And if you do, it also always gets you automatically entered in the monthly giveaways, and usually there's some sort of bonus attached with that as well. But today, what my patrons and all of you will be competing for is something interesting I saw on Amazon. It is a wind chime. So I went ahead and purchased one. We're going to open it up. This is how it came, just in this little plain box. So let's see. Let's open it up and see what it's going to be like. So here we go. Here we go. All right. Well, that's going to need just a little work here to untangle. But I think it is going to be kind of interesting. And here we go. So I know it's going to be a little hard to see against this backdrop since everything's black. But at the top, we've got a hanger with a skull here inside of, looks like a silhouette of just some pine trees. And it looks like you've got some evil eyes lurking out of the pine trees. Then you've got the body of the hanging, or the wind chime itself, which is weighted down by these bat figures. So again, a little hard to see there, but they actually, it looks like all the bats, I don't know if all of them are different, but certainly we can see that a few of them are at least different. And it makes a nice loud ringing sound. So I'm actually kind of impressed that, you know, most of the I don't know what you call these things. These little dangly tube things are all black, as are the top and the bats. And then these are kind of like a, what do you call it, oiled bronzy sort of patina there and on these little bell things, I guess. So I think it's kind of cool. I love it. But it's going to be yours if you win this month's giveaway. So how are you going to win this month's giveaway? It is going to be a live drawing in just a few days. We're going to do it this upcoming Wednesday, 9 p.m. Eastern. And how we do that is you need to enter below if you are wanting to be entered into the drawing. Of course, our patrons are automatically entered. But for those of you who aren't a patron yet, you will need to answer a question. So this month's question, we are going to ask you to go ahead to our new patrons page, Southern Screams. Take a look at his videos, leave a comment on one of his videos, and then come back here and leave me a comment on which video you commented on. That's a lot of commenting, but that will get you entered into this month's drawing. And we will do it again on Wednesday, 9 p.m. Eastern, live here with everybody. We're going to pull out a clue game, assign everybody who has entered a clue suspect, and do live eliminations. It's very simple, but if you join us live, it's a lot more fun. You'll get to help eliminate people one at a time until we are left with a single person who is going to win this wonderful wind chime. So good luck to all of you out there. Make sure you're entered. You do need to be entered by noon on Wednesday. Not a whole lot of time left, so make sure you do it right away. And that'll be it until then. So thanks for watching, guys. Till next time, take care, stay safe, happy hunting.